It has been so difficult to see these numbers. Every time when we get donation, YouTube is taking between 40%, up to 60%. I don't know what formula are they using. YouTube takes a 30% cut of all super thanks revenue, meaning creators receive 70% of the total amount donated through super thanks. The 235 rand that I got as a donation, this is what YouTube paid. They paid into my account, which is 95 rand, meaning that they've taken 140 rand, more than what they've given to me. I mean, if you Google and ask Google how much YouTube should be taking, especially from the super chats, it's totally different from what they're taking here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time watching this video. You could be watching from South America, you could be watching from North America, you could be watching from Asia, you could be watching from Australia, you could be watching from Europe, you could be watching from Africa, the mother continent, you could be watching from the Caribbean, you could be watching from anywhere around the world. It could be the first time you bump into my face, it could be the first time you bump into my voice, it could be the first time you bump into my YouTube channel. My name is Hlulani, the Tsonga Prince from South Africa. You're probably asking yourself, what am I doing? I'm here to defend my country, I'm here to talk about what's happening around the world, I'm here to talk about what's happening in Africa, but most of all, I'm here to defend my country, guys. More than 77% of you guys are watching our content, but you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys. So please kindly hit that subscribe button, guys. I need your support, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, because if you forget to hit the notification bell, so every time when I upload my video, you might not get a notification that I've just uploaded a video, but please hit that notification bell so that every time when I upload my video, so you can get that notification, guys. So guys, there's something that I want us to talk about. This actually is a cry to YouTube. What we as YouTubers, what we've been going through, especially when it comes to payment, guys. I don't want to lie to you, this is a cry to YouTube. I really want to understand, because let me tell you, YouTube sometimes is taking between 40% to 60%. In my case, I don't know in your case as a YouTuber, what you've been seeing in terms of the numbers, in terms of, especially I'm talking about the donation, I'm talking about the support that we get from our supporters. YouTube that is taking a lot of money from us. It is a cry to YouTube that please help us with this, that you know what, not to take as much money that you are taking from our YouTube. I don't want to lie, we are struggling YouTube, as small YouTube as like myself, guys. I have to cry, because if I don't cry, because let me tell you, what we're doing here, we might be fighting for our country and defending our country, but at the same time, this is a job. It's the same way as a lawyer when he goes and helps and save the people of the people of this country, wherever you are around the world, they get paid. Even politicians themselves, when they go to work, they get paid. Even police officers, when they wake up every day and they go to work and save the people from this corruption, from this crime that is happening, they get paid. Everyone who goes to work, you get paid. I think it's the same thing as YouTubers. When we come here to this YouTube channel, we do whatever. It could be entertainment, it could be education, it could be whatever I'm doing here. You understand? I think we should get paid, and YouTube recognize that we need to get paid. They are paying us. I just want to say thank you, YouTube, for paying us. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, from the small that you are paying. But I do have a cry that especially on super thanks and super chats and stuff like that. For super thanks and super chats, for those who don't know, those are the donations that our audience, our people are supporting us. But before I talk deep on that, guys, I just want to say thank you to my returning subscribers. I also want to say thank you to my new subscribers. I also want to say thank you to you who just subscribe right now, because without you guys, we are nothing. We need your support, guys. And so, guys, continue to support our channels, guys. Wherever you bump into, whoever you like on this street of YouTube. Let me tell you, it's a struggle here on YouTube. So we do need your support. For us to come and pretend that we don't need your support, that would be a lie. I think every YouTuber does need your support. We do need your support. So continue to keep on supporting us, guys. So I'm going to leave my account there, guys, if you want to support this channel. Also, I'm going to leave it on the description. Also, I'm going to leave it on somewhere on the comment. I'm going to try to leave the account also on my comment. Also, my PayPal account, if you want to deposit that, I'm going to leave everything there, so that if you want to donate, so please, guys, if you want to donate, if you're struggling with something, just come to the comment section and talk to me and say, okay, you're struggling with this, we can try to help you, maybe how to do it, and which other way maybe you can try to support our channel. So, guys, yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And the other way you can support us, guys, there's that join button, guys. Please hit that join join button and become a member of this YouTube channel, guys. We need your support. I need as much members as possible. It's just less than 30 Rand or less than $2, guys, for your support. There's 3 packages there. There's other prices there. So please hit that join button and support my channel, guys. So guys, let's get back to this, what I'm here for. The cry that I have directing to YouTube, because I don't want to lie to you guys, it has been so difficult to see these numbers. Every time when we get donation, YouTube is taking between 40%, maybe up to 60%. I don't know what formula are they using to take their share into the donation that we're getting. I read somewhere, as I did my research, guys. Where's this screen? I'm trying to get this screen. Where's the screen? The screen should be here. Yeah, so I'm gonna read you some of them. I'm gonna record this screen so that I can show it to you on when you're watching this video. So basically, okay, let me try to record this screen, guys. Let me see if I can record this screen. Okay, I'm gonna try to record this screen, guys. I'm trying to record this screen. Okay, so I hope it's recording now, guys. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's recording. So basically, if you go to Google and ask Google how much does YouTube take from super thanks, those are the donations, guys. Let me see how far is this video. I don't want to make this video very long. So it says YouTube takes a 30% cut of all super thanks revenue, meaning creators receive 70% of the total amount donated through super thanks. So basically, when you go to Google and ask, this is what you get. Yeah, I'm gonna move to the next screen, guys, and this statement does not correspond with the next screens that I'm going to show. On this screen, somebody donated, I'm just going to round off this so that I can make it easy. Donated this £9.99. I'm just going to round it off to £10. Okay, so this person donated £10. As you can see, they donated £10. I'm going to move to the next screen, and then I'm going to show it to you. Don't focus on this one. This is the money that I made when you guys are watching the video. This is called watch page ads. This money, 144 Rand and 65 cents. That's the money that the video made so far. And this video got 8,600 views. So this is the amount that it paid for, 8,600 views. But I don't want us to focus on that. I want us to focus on this supers and gifts. This is the money that I received when, okay, and understand I'm mixing rands and pounds, but I'm going to try to bring another screen so that I can show it to you. So this amount that I received after receiving £10, and guys, £10 it is equals to 235 Rand and some cent. So basically, out of the 235 Rand that I got as a donation, this is what YouTube paid. They paid into my account, which is 95 Rand, meaning that they've taken 140 Rand, more than what they've given to me. So, okay, I'm going to bring this screen here. So, yeah, as you look at this screen here, so, where is it? It's this one here. So, this amount that I received as a donation, 235 Rand, which was £10. I'm rounding off. That was £10, which they paid me 95 Rand, meaning that they've taken 59.5%. I'm saying to this YouTube, this is too much that YouTube is taking. Taking from us. That's the money they've taken from the donation that I received. I'm gonna go back to that screen again. I'm gonna show you another amount that I received, which it is this one. Okay, this again. This is 10. This is a different supporter or a different donor. This is $10.99. It's not in pounds now. So this person, this US dollar. I want to make it that clear. This is a US dollar that they donated to my channel. This is, 2 Rand. This is equals to 182 Rand. I want to show you how much they paid to my channel. I'm going to move to the next screen. Next screen. These are the super thanks and gift. So they paid 90 Rand and some cent, 81 cent in terms of Rand, from 182 Rand. YouTube paid me 90 Rand and 81 cent. And in this video, they've taken different percentage. This is the one here. So they've taken they've taken, let's say 50%. They've taken 50% from this one, which is different from the other one. So how they arrived to these figures is very confusing. As the first one that I read, they're supposed to be taking 30%. I might be, please, I'm stand to be corrected by YouTube, or anybody who's watching this channel who understands it even maybe better than me. But I feel this is too much money that YouTube it is taking. So those are the figures that YouTube is taking, guys. How fair, I really don't know if this is fair for YouTube to be taking so much money from us, because I believe this is too much money. I mean, if you Google and ask Google how much YouTube should be taking, especially from the super chats, it's totally different from what they're taking here. That's a cry for me for YouTube, that YouTube, please address us. And also want to ask anybody who's a YouTuber, are you seeing the same things that I'm going through? Because let me tell you, some of my friends that I know, actually not, let me not say some of my friends, all of my friends are all we are talking the same thing. That I haven't spoken to my friends in America. I think maybe I should ask them if they're going through, because I've spoken to my friends in the Caribbean, I've spoken to my friends in Jamaica, I've spoken to my friends in other parts of the world, mostly in Africa. I think I need to talk to those one and some of my friends who are YouTubers in America, if they're going through. But there's one friend of mine, but I don't want to go to that, because they will tell you different content, give different RPM in terms of how much you get. She's doing a little bit different content, but it's not far away from us. But the amount that she's getting about $31 per RPM, and you're getting less than $1 sometimes per RPM. Most of the time it's less than $1, sometimes $2. I have not seen much of more than $2, and somebody's getting, and this person's in America. I'm not trying to create any division or any fights. I'm just saying, it's a concern to me that I'm seeing this. It's especially happening to most of our African content creators. So YouTube, please, this is a cry. We need your help. We want to be in this platform. We enjoy the platform. But these figures that I'm looking at, they're not really motivating us to continue ask our people to support us and stuff like that. So yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. I don't know if I can still, yeah. So basically, as you saw, yeah. So how does it make sense? I'm gonna try to stop recording this screen, guys. Yeah, I just stopped recording the screen. Let me try to save this before I lose it. I don't wanna lose this screen, guys. Let me save this screen. I don't wanna lose it, because I might lose it and then I'll have to record this video. Yeah, it is saving now. Yeah, it's trying to save now. Yeah, so basically that's what's happening, guys. I'm just sad, like that YouTube can take so much money from our donation. So meaning that, like, if for example, let's say for example you receive, I'm just giving an example. If let's say you receive, let's say maybe 100,000 as a donation from somebody, because I promise you that people who really love our content and they're really supporting us. Let's say you receive 100,000 Rand and YouTube takes 60,000 Rand and you're getting 50%. It does not sound good, and it does not feel good at all, guys, because YouTube is taking hell a lot of money, guys. I don't want to make this video very long. So this was just a cry that I wanted to make to YouTube. Maybe YouTube will come and clarify this, maybe, I don't know. Please, YouTube, help us understand what is going on. Why is it YouTube taking a lot of money? Is this because maybe I'm in Africa or different part of the continent, different amount that is deducted from our donation? Please, the YouTube, make it make sense for us, because I am lost and I don't understand it, and I want to understand it, what is going on. But I thought, let me make this video. I don't want to make this video very long, guys. I'm gonna make this video very short, but that's the cry that I'm making, because let me tell you, YouTube has a lot of YouTubers. Are these 70 million YouTubers, are they going the same things that I'm going through? I'm just asking. If you're a YouTuber, please comment below. Tell me what you think. If this is what you're going, if you think this is fair or not fair. If you ask me, I will say this is too much for YouTube, the amount of the money that they're taking. That's my say, guys. Maybe you have a different opinion. Maybe you as a supporter can also come to a comment section and comment in turn and tell us what you think. I mean, the donation that you're donating, do you think YouTube should be taking up to 60%? As the example I've given you, they've taken so much from us. So guys, let me not make this video very long. I'll cut this video right now. I'll cut this video here. So guys, if you want to continue support this channel, yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Let me not make this video long. I wanted to post 2 videos, but I think I won't post 2. I think I'll post 1 video because it's already late. Yeah, when I editing this video, rendering and editing, it's just gonna take maybe more than 4 hours. Already the day it's gone. Yeah, that's why I needed my second laptop, guys, that I need to buy so that I can continue make as much content as possible, because there's so much thing that I need to cover. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Sharp.